Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC haka khandriu trik naila kala Sospon no mardor ye ki arngut ki MLA jongka ki bakunthob ya uba Gabriel Waklang bat Charles Marngar halor ke jingkeno le persyak parti ke jongki kata da ke bakeno ru ya ke sorkar MDA balayalam da ke National People's Party NPP halor ke jing pyndonkam da ke pisa beain bala lum na udrok jingti dewyong bat ki kam kontrak ban penjam knap ya ki weipat ki parti sain perthei Haka Shithi balapha da ka General Secretary ka MPCC ka Cong wan suks im Shakini ki armut ki MLA ka laong kumbala tha da ki bor ki bahalor la pentip bala Sospon mardor ye phi na ka Indian National Congress INC na ka bentan riusnam batat hadu banda pentip da kumwei pat na mar ka jingdon khti ka jong phi haki kam ya le persya ya ka parti u MLA ka umsning u Dr. Celestine Lingdo Ubadai uwe na pedang ki laingut ki MLA ki balapau perthei halor ke jingthumu banlej penyaso syaka NPP ulaya dan lang hakate ke jialang jongka MPCC Kamashua din ke jialang u presiden ka MPCC uba Vincent H Pala ulaong ngilakot ya barok laingut ki MLA Henry Tang u Dr. Celestine ubalawan bat pensyai hangi ulaong bakim patlej setia kumbakalong mentahi nyidang ya perkhat na markadon ke jingterwa na ka NPP na kebenta ki babun ki skim kampenroy Kum kaduksa kila terwaya ki daki blok ki surok bat bun ki weipan bakin wan ya sok bat ki Henry ula pentip bakim pat shimrai satya bat dena kata kadawa ulawan ban pelishai syangi Habakentok persya ya ka sorkar MDA balayalam da ka NPP uba pala ula kenok baka sorkar kala pyndonkam da ka pisa beain ban krok ya ki MLA ka Kongres lembat ki weipat ki parti Kumjuk haba penpau baka don gejing persyang borba daka BJP NPP ban pynjot thiau ya ka Kongres u pala ulaong kitip baka jing sngo ujong upat ba ka don bat ka Kongres menta omtang ha kejela Henry hakari India barok kawei ki perkhat badaka basyemno ya ki MLA bat ki ken lak ban pynjot yang gi khamtam ha ka election nagam begre bat MDC kumjuk nalor kata ula pentip baka parti kala ai ka jing maham ka bating e persya ki MLA bahkan le da ka bating e persya ki la da ki le yaso syaki weipat ki parti Lakban kedua bahagi ni ki kendiat sengi baladep ka kerteng jong ba Gabriel Waklang bat ba Charles Marngat kilami lembat weu MLA ha ka balakam ba ki lakban penyaso no syaka seng NPP kata hadin ke jing rakhe ke Independence Day kini ki argut ki MLA ke Kongres ki deiru ki MDC ke Kongres hapo Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC
Today we had a meeting, a normal meeting, because as you have seen, it came up in the news that few members are likely to go. So then we had a meeting and we invited those members also. Among those 3 MLAs who are likely to go, Dr. Bom came and briefed us. He said that we are not going as on today. We are still thinking. There was offer from the NPP for lots of development schemes. For example, they offered them blocks, they offered them roads, they offered them so many things to join with them. But he said that they have not decided. So that's why he came, he briefed us. And Saleng has told him that so many blocks has been promised, so many blocks has been sanctioned, but on ground reality, nothing happens. They have laid so many foundation stones in Karo Hills, so many schools, hospitals. They have not done, even the existing, they have not done. How do you expect that they'll give you a new one? And Baroni argued that these promises are always to the opposition, and they always try to screw the opposition by trying to lure them with schemes. Otherwise, the opposition will always be left high and dry. They don't give the rights. So the government of the day is not like before. Nowadays, the government is very arrogant. The government is very corrupt. The government is trying to finish the other parties by the illegal money which they have got from drugs, the illegal money which they have got from the illegal coal mining, from the manipulation of the contract works, so many things as we have seen. As on today, it starts even up to the transfer and postings and all. So with that money, they are trying to get our people. So we appeal to our people that don't fall into the trap, because if you have seen last time, 17 MLAs all left the Congress, and how many of came back? 70% of them lost the elections. More than that, they lose their face. The party also lose ground. So if they go, it's not for the interests of the NPP or the ruling and the BJP, because out of 60, they already have 47 with them. So they don't need the Congress, but only to disgrace. There's a very desperate move by the BJP, NPP to destroy the Congress. They know that the sentiments of the people are with the Congress now, not only in the state but all India level. They think by taking the MLAs with them, by trading the MLAs with them, they'll destroy us, especially for the Campegre election and the MDC election. But we give a warning to the MLAs that stern action will be taken to all of them if they do that. At the same time, I think they are thinking. So we do our job and will not spare anyone. We'll take a stern action against any one of them. Will not spare them. There's no questions that the Congress is soft or the president is not taking decisions, because I was away to US because my daughter is working in US, and then I went there to see her accommodation and everything. But we did not take action because based on press or based on others. But now we've got a report from the blocks. We have taken record. We called them. So I thought, as a president, as a leader of the opposition, as an MP, we all here, we should listen to them. So we should be not only loyal to our party, we should also be fair to our member, give them a chance by listening to them. That's why we have not taken action so far. The party has a set of rules. The party has a set of practice. The party is always will maintain the same discipline. Will not do to this flow differently and that differently. We'll take action based on the reports on the ground also. We have got the reports from the blocks. We've got a report from the district. So definitely we'll do that. They have decided, but to us, they have not conveyed that message. And through Dr. Bom, they said that they have not yet finalized their year, but they are still thinking how to do it. So why not give them a fair chance to do that? I think Congress heavyweights also are there. It's not only with them. So I think that it's not only their heavyweight. We also heavy. Rather, we may be heavier than them also. You never know. Since we have given them a request and appeal, so let's see what they say, and then they'll come back to us. We'll try to meet 2 other more MLAs also. If they are willing, we're ready to meet. Otherwise, we do our own job.